Picture this: lush green islands, volcanoes rising in the distance, and strange chattering voices echoing through the jungle. Welcome to wild Indonesia, brought to life today in dazzling claymation. I'm about to take you on a 3-minute journey through this paradise of wildlife, where every creature is a masterpiece and every landscape looks like it was sculpted by hand. Let's start with the real stars, the monkeys. Deep in the forests, macaques leap from branch to branch, their playful energy contagious. In Sumatra, you might spot the elusive orangutan, those wise, soulful eyes peering out from the clay leaves. They swing easily through the canopy, reminding me why Indonesia is called the Emerald of the Equator. But it's not just monkeys putting on a show. Turn your gaze skyward, and you'll see birds as vivid as the clay they're made from. Sulawesi's hornbills glide past, their bills as bright as a painter's palette. And then, the birds of paradise. Their feathers shimmer, their dances hypnotize. I always think they look like they're performing for an audience of clouds. Each one is proof that evolution truly has a sense of humor and style. Now let's drift over the islands, a patchwork of blues and greens, ringed by coral reefs so colorful they almost seem unreal. Those reefs shelter a secret world, tiny clay seahorses, darting clownfish, and the gentle sweep of a sea turtle's flippers. Above the waves, Komodo dragons prowl the sun-baked shores, looking like prehistoric monsters brought to life with a sculptor's touch. What makes Indonesia unique isn't just its biodiversity. It's how every island tells a different story. In Borneo, rainforests whisper with the songs of gibbons. In Bali, rice paddies climb the hills like green steps. Even the volcanoes, silent and majestic, seem to breathe beneath their clay skin. I can't help but feel small, in the best way, when I see all these creatures sharing their world. Every detail, every movement, even in clay, captures the wild beauty and raw wonder of Indonesia. It's a reminder that paradise isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing symphony of life. So next time you dream of adventure, think of Indonesia. Think of monkeys swinging, birds dazzling, and islands glowing like jewels in the ocean. And imagine, all of it, sculpted by nature and brought to life by a little bit of clay. Thanks for joining me on this wild, wonderful journey. Until next time, keep exploring.